Nicely done, Cynthia. I like that you have given us multiple views here. You've done decent work on the drawings. I get a good idea of what it is that you're proposing. You've included some of the graphics that might go along with it. And I think that's all absolutely terrific. Although I like this idea, I think the amount of space that it takes up for the product that it holds it doesn't pay off as well as these other two ideas, which seem much smaller and much denser with product. And that's the kind of thing that retailers are looking for. They don't want to take up a lot of space without it being paying off in some way. And when you got a pack full of merchandise like this, it makes it much more attractive to a retailer. I get a good idea of what you're proposing. Like I said, these two ideas for me probably are the strongest. What I think you could do to improve your presentations or to get each solution out on its own page, the suggestions of dimensions here don't seem to make all that much sense to me, because this looks like it's going to have a much wider base than these other ones, and giving dimensions for each of the solutions is going to make them much more easy to understand. Giving suggestions of colors here too would be helpful. There's a wide variety of colors that are happening in these examples that you have here, and then how would they be introduced over here? So we've got, you know, this heart with the arrow through it that doesn't show up here, and this odd form here that I'm not sure what it relates to exactly. So giving bigger suggestions of how those logos are going to play out, and also the colors that you're going to use would be helpful. But for the most part, I think you've done terrific work here, so good job.